It's the morning of my first art show. You know, I gotta start off my morning with my Dunkin'. So I have the show tonight from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. They said it might even go on till 2. And then I have an autumn market Sunday morning, which is the very next day. I have to set up at 7:30. So I have my car ready and packed, well, partially packed. I have to go to my storage, get the rest of my things because I'm not going to be able to get them after the show. Hopefully I won't be attending the show alone, so I won't have to drive back tonight. I can get a little bit of sleep on the road. The show, it's in Chicago. It's about an hour away. Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah.
As you all can see, it's pretty crowded. But I did find this one space on the wall. It was the one space that 2 of my big pieces could fit. So this is just me hanging. A nice stranger came over and helped me out. Aww. I did try to see if my other 2 pieces could fit on that little wall on the side, and they did not. Luckily, there was another wall nearby that I could fit my other 2 pieces, and I'm telling y'all, I got the last of the space on the actual walls that they put up. Other artists came in, they were so mad and left because they had to make extra room for them, which wasn't, you know, the best for visibility, but I got everything hung. And I did put some contact information on the wall, some QR codes so you can know where to find me. Yeah, but let's go check out some of the other artwork. There were so many floors to this thing. I still don't even know if I saw all the artwork. I was still discovering stuff. What? Didn't even know this was here. Yeah. So this was the floor where they had people doing live art. But look at this stuff. Wow. Let me tell y'all, because I thought this was about to be an easy peasy little setup, like nothing compared to the festivals, but no. I done took my whole shirt off and everything. So I'm done setting up. I'm excited, like but no, I'm super excited. I'm gonna get me something to eat because y'all, if I don't, I'm gonna pass out like in about 2.5 seconds. Just another thing, I'm so glad that I got here when I did, because when I tell y'all, people were upset and leaving because they couldn't find a spot. I found like the last of the spots. Yeah, they apparently overbooked, and so I'm glad I got here when I did. I'll definitely know to be there early very early next time. I did put out my paintings. I put out some mini paintings, my prints. I decided not to put out the stickers just because it was gonna be a little too much. Definitely will rethink next time and have a strategy. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to get out of these clothes. No, it's too hot for the outfit that I decided to wear, so here we are. Got a few hours to kill, so we'll have some food. Oh, this is crazy. I've never seen anything like this.
Right, because people who've been doing this inspired by him for years never got the recognition they deserve. So it took.
This was seriously an experience like no other. I made so many new artist friends. I learned so much from this show. I will definitely be ready for the next show. But yeah, it was just so cool. And y'all, I can't forget about the pancakes. The pancakes were so good. Chocolate chip, yes ma'am. And then here's some friends that I made. Really nice people, you guys. If you haven't had a chance to go to an art show, definitely go. It's a great time. But for now, I'll see y'all later. Bye.